For nearly 50 years, you counted on Trace design and analysis software to help you make critical decisions about building design and construction to understand project realities and alternatives. You've counted on our world-class support to help you get the most out of Trace. We created the industry standard, and now we're going beyond. Introducing Trace 3D Plus. Trace 3D Plus offers an integrated visually dynamic workflow to help you minimize modeling time and costs. You'll save even more time by accessing our expanded libraries and building theme templates. Trace 3D Plus makes it easy to validate models in 2 or 3 dimensions. Trace 3D Plus is seamlessly integrated sizing for components and systems, so there's no need for duplicate effort when transitioning to energy analysis, reducing risk and increasing efficiency. Trace 3D Plus is flexible and intuitive, with built-in validations and the ability to share libraries and results within a single project file. Trace 3D Plus gives you enhanced model accuracy because it was built on the globally respected Energy Plus platform. The new and enhanced modeling capabilities in Trace 3D Plus include renewable energy features, schematically configurable systems, and more flexible control options. With more than 20 years of research and development, as well as transparent methodologies, you know you can be confident in the results. When you combine Trane's HVAC expertise with a dynamic, intuitive interface and our commitment to customer support, you get the most powerful building load, energy, and economic analysis tool available today. Learn more and get started with Trace 3D Plus today at tranecds.com.